PCM and Extreme Networks teamed up to bring a secure and robust Wi-Fi network to Super Bowl fans at Super Bowl City in San Francisco. Super Bowl host committee CEO Keith Bruce reached out to PCM to design and implement a fast, secure, highly available network for the fans.
Hi, I'm Keith Bruce, and I'm the CEO of the Super Bowl 50 Host Committee. The Super Bowl 50 Host Committee is the organization responsible for the operational planning and delivery and execution of Super Bowl 50, including game week as well as game day. Given that we are in the Bay Area and technology is a big part of our DNA, we wanted to ensure that we would be the most technologically advanced Super Bowl ever, calling on a lot of our technology partners as well as the world-class, state-of-the-art Levi Stadium to help us deliver that goal. So we wanted to be the most giving Super Bowl ever, we wanted to be the most participatory and inclusive Super Bowl ever, and we wanted to be the most technologically advanced Super Bowl ever. And those were really our guiding themes throughout the entire development of our plans for Super Bowl 50 from a host committee's perspective. So over a year before we opened Super Bowl City, I sat with our team and there was one thing that we knew we needed, and that was an enhanced Wi-Fi network that would enable fans to use the technology that would be at their disposal to connect to the information that we knew we were going to have available. Well, you can't do that if you don't have a network that allows people to use that technology as efficiently as they can. So we started a search to look for partners who could actually help us build a customized Wi-Fi network in the footprint of Super Bowl City.
PCM and Extreme started their collaboration a year in advance of game day in order to understand the complex factors and challenges involved. The project called for providing uninterrupted Wi-Fi to an 80-acre open-air campus for a period of 7 days. The network would be used by over 100,000 people. The infrastructure needed to be temporary and installed quickly before opening day. After months of strategic planning, the Wi-Fi solution was carried out flawlessly.
And what happened is the result was perfect. We had a fantastic Wi-Fi network. It did not go down one time during the course of the 9 days. It delivered almost 7 terabytes of data across the entirety of the event, and we couldn't have been more pleased with the results. Clearly, we could not have created the record statistics that we had in terms of technology, in terms of mobile use, in terms of social media, and in terms of overall connectivity, and the sheer transfer of data without a world-class network that our partners at PCM and Extreme Networks provided. But I think the most gratifying thing for me with the relationship with PCM and Extreme is they were really committed. They really wanted to make sure that this network would deliver a world-class system for a world-class event. And I could see that commitment in every phone call. They brought a world-class team. It was going to be their name on the network, and they realized that, and they wanted to be proud of it, and they wanted to make it the best ever, and they certainly did that. I was incredibly impressed with not only the partnership, but with the people, the team, with the product. The finished network was brilliant. It worked perfectly. I had so many other things to worry about during Super Bowl 50 week in terms of operations and security and protocol and transportation and the like. The one thing I didn't want to have to worry about was the Wi-Fi network at Super Bowl City. And fortunately, thanks to PCM and Extreme, I didn't have to worry about it. It worked beautifully, and it delivered a fantastic world-class experience for all the fans that were there to enjoy Super Bowl City.
For more information on PCM Stadium Wi-Fi solutions, contact a PCM expert today.